Okay, so we are going to Auraxis Firearm Corps, and I'm going to show you 3 locations there, one for each point. Ideally, if I was attacking the base with my squad, I would have a Sunder at each point.
The VS have Amarish locked down.
Well, VS locked down Amarish. That's fine. We're going to keep going in here anyways. Sorry about that. Okay, we're in C, so we're allowed to kill people. Okay, so first place is right here. And they have a Sunder there.
Ceasefire. I'm MC, you idiot.
Second place is on the side here. Well, I mean, it's both of these were for the same point. You just drive over here, park it. Not you, fish finder. Okay, now we're gonna go on to C point, and then we'll go to B point. So this one is also easy. B point's the only one that's kind of, you know, cool. So you can park outside the red ring right here as an attacker or a defender. And then let me back up there, fish finder, and we'll go to B point. You got it? You know where to go? That's from right there. If you turn left and drive over to the that little space and hit that yeah, right there, and keep going. Ooh, nice, nice, perfect. Now just drive forward and circle around the backside, and that is how you get to B point. And you can deploy anywhere back there. Alright, so we're going to go over to whatever opened and do another base. That's been Auraxis Firearm Corps. Again?